Alright folks, welcome back. We're just pulling up to this week's stealth location. So it'll be interesting to see how many, oh my goodness, it's chocker blocked. I wasn't expecting there to be as many people. I was up last night and there's one other person here, but oh well. And there's somebody just over where I want to be as well. I was up yesterday and there was nobody here, but it's a real good night. So they're all out on their jet skis. This guy here's just going nuts. Yeah, but they shouldn't be here, hopefully, for too much longer. So the plan is a chilled night. You'll be watching this video on the Friday. And I'll be going camping again on the Saturday, so this is just going to be a chilled one. I'm going camping, I'm taking my daughter camping to a campsite, so I'll make a video of that too for you. Yeah, so we'll go back and we'll make some dinner, and we'll maybe come down and we'll see if we can get somewhere along the river here. We'll sit and eat it and watch the sun go down and watch these guys here. Let's go back to the van, let's get cooking. So what have we got today? For dinner we're going to make like a chicken korma. So we've got some korma sauce. I think there's like vegetables and that through this as well. We've got some egg fried rice, which is, this is ready to eat, so it's just a matter of giving this a quick heat. Got some chicken. Peppers, onion, a few chilies. Oh yeah, I've got some garlic bread. We'll cook that in the Ridgemonkey. Voila! So I just knocked up a simple little chicken korma. I added some extra peppers, onions and chilies into it. A couple of slices of garlic bread done in the Ridgemonkey. I planned to go down to the river, but it is a bit noisy. I might just sit here. This place is getting busier. Instead of quieting down. Filling up the cars. You see them cars down there. You can be sure that those are kids going to sit and mess around for the night. Ah well. They don't bother me, I'll not bother them. So, taste. That's nice. Much nicer than the avocado, macaroni, onions, mushrooms and Carpark that I had in the other video. Some of you weren't too pleased about. But that's just me, I just eat crazy concoctions. I'm going to chill out, eat this, and watch some Crocodile Dundee. And we'll go down to the river whenever it gets a bit quieter. We'll have a cup of tea or something down there. Good food. Classic movie. Doesn't get any better than this. Couple of late arrivers for the jet skis. What the hell's that? I thought it was an eel or something in the water. So what is it, a rope or something? Other than the noisy jet skis, it's a beautiful night. Lovely sky. Not beautiful? Really nice. Relaxing. Surely they should be going very shortly, but yeah, so I'm going to sit here and enjoy the quiet in between the bursts of noise from the jet skis. And I'm just going to go back after that and relax, get into the van, put the blinds up, watch some movies. And if I don't see you back in the van, I'll see you in the morning. We'll go up really early and then we'll be able to have a good look about. When there's nobody else here, I can show you about. Yeah, I think that's maybe the best option. We'll just go in, batten down the hatches now, and I'll give you a look about. Maybe up about, say, 4:30, 5 o'clock we'll get up and we'll look about then and give it a bit of a nosy round. Yeah, let's do that. Beautiful. The light is so bright. Good morning. It's just turned 5 o'clock. It's 4:59. There's a little gap in the curtain there. I can see the skies already starting to brighten up. So let's check outside and see if we're the only ones here. Almost ready. Let's go and see what's happening outside. I'll not forget these because the van has decided it likes to start locking itself, and these locked inside the other day. That was a mission to get that sorted. Get rid of this light. That's a heavy Brit. Lovely ones here. These all our little scoundrels that were parked in front of me last night. Down here, the young ones. The mess they've made. I'll lift all this before I go. Don't worry. Okay, I would need to ask you a favour, or more maybe a question than a favour. So what length of videos do you want me to make? Do you rather 10-minute videos, 15-minute videos, or 20-minute videos? As you probably noticed, I'm trying to make the videos shorter because I'm just concerned that you're maybe getting bored with the dragged out content, where I've been trying to chop it right down. The last video was like 11 minutes something. So what I want you to do, I want you to just go into the comment section and just write your number you like, 10, 15 or 20. You don't have to write a big long comment, you don't have to explain it or anything like that there. If you just write 10, 15 or 20, so that would give me a real good idea of what you want to see. Lengthwise, I mean. Okay, let's go and have a wander around. So that is the slip for the boat launch, where you launch your boats and you launch your jet skis and all that sort of thing. So this is like, this part we are at is like the jet ski zone. This is where they all come. This is the area it's really for them. And so it's not ideal for fishing. Little people do fish here. You know, you have the problem with them because this is their zone. And over in there, that is like a water ski club. They do a lot of water skiing and stuff there. So there we're on the lower band canoe trail. This is the canoe trail. I think this is what they call, you know, this is a thing for the canoe, so you can step down and get your canoe. Obviously, when the water rises, it comes further up here, and you can, I think that's what it is. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments. This makes it easier for them to launch their wee canoes. And you flatten down this river. Okay, people. So we're going to sign off now. This video will pop on a Friday. I probably already said this, but I never know what I'm going to edit out and not edit out. But yeah, this video will pop on the Friday. I'm going camping again on the Saturday with my daughter, taking her away for her first camping trip. She's nearly 6 years old, so it should be good fun. I'm really looking forward to it. So I'll make a small video of that as well. I already said about this in previous videos. It's called the Waterfall Caves in Lavalier. It was supposed to go in March, but because of the dreaded you know what, it was cancelled. So we had to rebook. And it felt like forever. The day was never going to come, but we're finally at it again. And I don't think it's going to get cancelled this time. I think everyone's going to go ahead. So that'll probably be the next time I see you. So I'll see you then, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and once you've subscribed, head over to the other side, hit the thumbs up button. Cheers. See you next week.